What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and HMD Global has been slowly pushing Nokia back into our local markets. In this hands-on review, we are checking out the Nokia 3.2. Sliding the box open, we immediately see the unit itself. Underneath the device, we can find the SIM ejector tool and the usual paperwork in different languages. Pulling the box on the side, we see the 5-watt power brick, a micro USB cable, and a 3.5mm audio jack. In terms of design, the Nokia 3.2 boasts a 6.2-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1520. There's a sizable dewdrop notch at the top of the display where the front-facing camera resides, and we do get some pretty thick bezels surrounding the screen. The chin bezel has the widest size as we do get some Nokia branding on here. At the back, we see the 3.2's 13-megapixel camera module placed vertically in the upper center with the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner right below it. For build, we get a unibody construction primarily made up of plastic with a glossy finish to it. Due to the gloss, it does pick up a lot of fingerprints and smudges. Despite the plastic unibody, the device doesn't feel cheap. Instead, it feels durable and solid in the hands. The rounded edges and smooth glossy rear make the 3.2 comfortable to grip as well. Situated on the right are the volume rocker and power button that lights up when the phone is being charged and doubles down as an LED notification indicator. The button placement might be a little bit high for people with small hands. I personally did not have a problem with it, and I do think it's worth mentioning that the button tactility is actually really good on this device. So props to you, Nokia. On the left side, we have the dual SIM card tray with a dedicated micro SD card slot and a dedicated Google Assistant button. Placed on top is the 3.5mm headphone jack and a noise-cancelling mic for speakerphone. At the bottom resides the micro USB port for charging and data transfers, as well as a noise-cancelling mic for regular calls and a single downward-firing speaker. For the performance, the Nokia 3.2 is rocking a Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. And yes, you do get expandable storage via the provided micro SD card slot. Like most Nokia phones today, this device runs on stock Android 9 Pie, so we expect updates from Google frequently and on schedule. Providing power to the device is a 4000 mAh battery with no form of fast charging. For biometric security, this device offers two: Face Unlock and the before-mentioned rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. Now, for cameras, the Nokia 3.2 has a 13-megapixel camera as its primary shooter and a 5-megapixel selfie shooter up front. Check out some sample shots right now. Now, to fully close this hands-on review, we have to talk about the price. The Nokia 3.2 with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage is priced at 7,990 pesos. And with that price tag, this equates to a very affordable device. But do you guys think the Nokia 3.2 is worth the money? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified for future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.